Oh my god.
Holy crap,
dude,
there's
this
so
thing's
many
coming
droids
back.
spawning at their spawn.
What the fuck? It's coming back. Nice leg. Oh my god. I just died.
You died. And now all these new people get to discover the magic of this server. First, guys, this first time I play it too. Holy crap. Glad to see it still though.
Kind of relaxing, you know? This was like an
It is.
ASMR thing, like
ASMR
hot
style.
cocoa and watching tanks blow up slowly and on.
Oh yeah, the closer I get to it, the more I start lagging.
Is that you? You're still spawned in.
Yeah, I'm just yodeling right now. I'm just capturing points.
Yes, make us win.
E just teleport into the ground. Oh wait, now B is back. The points are disappearing. This is amazing. It's like fireworks. I can't even spawn in right now.
Oh my god, man, this is crazy.
People are just leaving the match.
God, kill me. Oh my god.
I want to
slowly make my
spawn.
way.
You're still spawned in?
Yeah, I'm still spawning. I haven't died yet.
Oh, it stopped.
It stopped. I ran to it and it stopped.
Holy crap, dude.
Are we good?
That was amazing. Add
Oh my
that
god,
to the
all our guys are spawning in now.
fight.